In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn any TradingView indicator into a profitable strategy with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll take an indicator with accessible PineScript code, have ChatGPT convert it into a strategy with clear long and short rules, paste it into the TradingView Pine editor, run automated backtests, read metrics like net profit and drawdown, and refine the rules with confidence. First, access the indicator's PineScript source code. Open TradingView and load the chart you want to test on. Add the indicator you're interested in so you can see its signals on the chart. Now open the indicator's source. If the script is open source, you'll see a way to view or open the PineScript. Click to open it, then copy all of the code. If you can't view the source, that indicator is protected and this process won't work for that specific script. To avoid losing anything, work on a copy, not the original. Next, instruct ChatGPT to convert it into a strategy with specific entry and exit conditions. Switch to ChatGPT and paste the entire PineScript. Clearly state that you want it converted from an indicator to a strategy. Tell it the exact visual rules you want to trade. For example, say go long when the indicator line crosses above its signal line, and exit or go short when it crosses below. Or enter long when the plot turns green, exit and reverse when it turns red. If the indicator uses arrows, labels, or shapes, describe them exactly. Which ones mean long, which means short, and what should trigger exits. Ask ChatGPT to keep all original calculations, add a strategy declaration at the top, and use strategy.entry and strategy.close or strategy.exit for both long and short sides based on your rules. Be precise so the logic matches what you see on the chart. When you get the generated strategy code, copy it. Now test it in the Pine editor. Go back to TradingView and open the Pine editor at the bottom of the screen. Paste the strategy code from ChatGPT into a new script. Click Save, give it a clear name, then click Add to Chart. You should see your strategy applied on the chart with entry and exit markers. If you see compilation errors, read the message at the bottom, switch back to ChatGPT, paste the error, and ask it to fix the code while preserving your rules. Once it compiles and loads, open the Strategy Tester panel. Here you'll automatically backtest the strategy over the visible data for that symbol and time frame. From the Strategy Tester, review key performance metrics. Look at net profit to see overall performance. Check max drawdown to understand worst-case peak-to-trough loss during the test. Review the profit factor, the number of trades, and the win rate to understand the behavior. Scroll through the list of trades if needed and visually confirm that entries and exits on the chart match your intended rules. If the markers don't align with the indicator's visual signals, return to ChatGPT and clarify the conditions. For example, specify whether you want the signal to trigger on bar close to avoid repainting, or whether crossovers should be strict cross events rather than just greater than or less than. At this point, refine the strategy. Based on what you see in the metrics and on the chart, adjust your rules in ChatGPT. There's a tighten or relax your entry and exit conditions. Specify whether you want to flip positions or flat exits, and clarify any filters that come directly from the indicator's existing outputs. Each time you update the prompt, copy the new code, paste it into the Pine editor, save, add to chart, and retest in the Strategy Tester. Focus on improving drawdown control and consistency while keeping the rules faithful to the indicator's signals. Continue iterating until the backtest behavior and metrics meet your expectations. You've now turned a TradingView indicator into a testable PineScript strategy with ChatGPT. Run automated backtests in the Strategy Tester, analyze core metrics like drawdown and net profit, and refine the entry and exit logic to fit the indicator's signals. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.